Hello everyone, happy Friday. How are you guys doing today? Hey, you guys jump on, tell me hello, tell me you're here. What are you guys doing for the 4th? It's the 4th of July weekend, so hopefully you guys are getting out having some fun or having some good relaxed time. So today guys, we are going to take this block that my friend's actually building a house, and he had this in his throwaway pile, burn pile. So I told him that I was confiscating it and going to make some cute stuff out of it. So we're going to use this little transfer that says home is where your honey is, and it's got some little honeycombs and a honey jar, a wreath, and I don't even know what that's called. Do you guys know what that's called? The honey scooper? I don't know. So let me know if you know. Honey spoon? I don't know. But we're just going to be using honey, and we're just going to make a little cute little self-setter, or you could even use it as a tier tray. But guys, basically, I just painted black loosely, like probably one coat. So I didn't put a whole lot of time. I waxed it, but I didn't really put a whole lot of time into making sure that it was perfect. So, you know, around here, I'm kind of on the rustic side. Probably more the fact that it's because I'm lazy. I'm a lazy decorator, I'm not gonna lie. But being able to, you know, create and not have to be OCD. Girls, I don't know what you OCD girls do, because that would, my crafting would never get done. I say I'm lazy, but I do get pretty particular about it sometimes. But if I was OCD, it would never go down. So we're going to be using the yellow that we used the other day, and I'm actually going to put this with. I don't know if you joined me for thanks for joining, guys. What was it? The lemon one. That's like when life gives you lemon, make something sweeter. I think this will be a great addition to that. So that's what we're going to do today, and I'm trying to think which one's going to be my smoother side. But yeah, I'm going to be chilling this weekend and just enjoying myself. I have a little bit of a cookout to go to with some friends, but after that, I'm just gonna chill. I need to be getting ready. I'm ready to go on vacation, guys. Who's with me? I'm ready to get out of here and go feed my soul just a little bit with something that I love to do. So, let me get this in here. So I'm just gonna get this fuzz. It just kind of helps protect your transfer. So waxing it is gonna help, and then doing the fuzz so it's not so sticky is gonna help. And then I like the fact that our transfers are flexible, so you can kind of see if you got it centered or not, if you need to move it or not. So I'm thinking just a little bit more. I think that's gonna be cute. So this almost kind of reminds me, once I got on there, almost kind of reminds me of, like a Winnie the Pooh. So anybody big into Winnie the Pooh, Disney character? He's got, you know, he's good. He's good to watch for the kiddos for sure. So yesterday, you know, guys, I made this. I used this package on my lemon thing, and you know, I just fold it back up and put some tape on it, and then I can use it again. Okay, so it kind of keeps your paste from drying out on you, and you can use it. So I'm gonna create this. I'm just gonna do the honey, and then I'm gonna put some of the beehives, the honeycombs, on there. I guess they're honeycombs, not beehives. Around it, and then we're gonna put just a little bit of a ribbon just to kind of give it a little more character. But obviously, you guys can, you know, stop where you're at any stage that you're comfortable at, that you like, and use any color. We have about 30 colors. I thought about using, hey, thanks for joining. Hey, I thought about using a gold color. I thought that'd be real pretty, but I wanted to put this with my little thing that we made, the lemon thing that we made yesterday. I'm gonna show you, I'm actually gonna pick this up and show you as I'm taking it off how pretty that is. Does that turn out cute? And it's reusable, so guys, I'll take it to my sink and wash it up, and then I'll be able to reuse it on a different project. So let me dry this, and then we'll put just a few little honeycombs on it. But I like how you can just repurpose just about anything. I mean, this was headed to the trash, so I think that we can make something a little bit cuter out of it to make it feel like home. So I'm gonna start here. Actually, I'm gonna just kind of maybe put one in the corner. There. See if I have enough on here. Give me some more paste. I just want to put just a little bit on there. I'm going to put the ribbon around the block. So I thought about putting some on there, but it's not gonna, the ribbon's gonna cover it up. So no use in me taking the time to do that. That was a lot. So, and guys, if you put too much paste on your project, your squeegee gets it up for you, so you can use it on a different project, so don't worry about that. Just a little bit more, and see how this turns out. And take that off slowly, let you see it, and maybe just one down here. Put some little more paste on it. But, and guys, you get like 3 paste packets with your club order, which is our monthly craft kit. So make sure you're saving them, don't just throw them away. Because you're not going to use all the paste on one project. You'll have enough left over to use on a different project. So I haven't got my Chalk Couture yet, but they'll be sending them out. I think they start the 5th, 6th, and 7th for the customers. And I just got a little bit where I didn't want it, so I'm just going to take a disinfectant wipe and get it off. But I'm excited about this one. This one's a little world globe looking one. Look how cute that is. Anyway, the monthly club is a world globe one. So it should be really cute and fun to decorate with, especially since I like to travel. Who else likes to travel? I know I have several girls in here that like to travel. Several of my Facebook followers are into traveling. Okay, so I'm just going to put this on here. Give it just a little bit more. Oh, I don't think I need that much. And then I'm going to put a little pom-pom on top of it. And I think I mean, it's really going to be just enough. I think that's good. Really cute and simple, like I like all my projects to be just fun. Right about there. And then I'm just going to cut the ends. Well, I'll tie it first, and then I'll cut the ends. Kind of get it centered here. But surely you guys have a piece of block wood out and about that's just been saving for some kind of project. So just get it out and just make your little honey with it. I always like making a little honey with my projects. play with your ribbon until you get it. This one's only one-sided, so you'll want to play with it until you get it the side, you know, the sides on it. Guys, this is a Dollar Tree ribbon, so don't, I mean, see how inexpensive your projects can be and still be really cute. And take this one and cut off the ends. I'm just dovetailing the ends here, just to kind of give it a little more shape. And then I'm going to put this little guy on the top. Isn't it cute? Little pom-poms are really in right now. So anything to give your project just a little bit of personality is always a good idea. And like I said, I'm going to group this, so when I take the picture, I'm going to group it with what I did yesterday. So it needs a little pom-pom, because I put pom-poms on my stuff yesterday. Let me see. There we go. What do you guys think? Super simple, super easy, stuff that you have probably sitting around in your garage collecting dust. This could be a cute little self-setter, or guys, look how cute this would be that you could create a whole tiered tray out of it. So you could use home, you could just use some honeycombs for your background pattern. You could use the little beehive right here. Super cute. And maybe Monday I'll finish it up. I'll get some more boards painted, and we'll make a tiered tray out of it. So I think I've just changed my mind. So Monday, look forward to that. We'll finish up, because my tiered tray is Happy Birthday America right now. So I'll need to be switching that up. So I'll get it together and we'll use this one. I'll come up with something. We'll use some of the things here and come up with something really cute for another tiered tray idea. So guys, have a wonderful weekend, and I so appreciate you guys coming and crafting with me. I enjoy seeing you. I enjoy talking to you in my posts. I enjoy getting to know you guys more. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I will put in the links to what I used today down in the comments. So look forward to that, and happy chalking and happy 4th of July weekend, guys. Take care. Bye.